Hi guys, welcome to another Total Technik video. Today we're working on the Cabriolet. This is the A4, S4 and RS4 B6 and B7 models. This particular one today is an S4. This applies to all Cabriolet models. Now what we're looking at in particular today is removing this section here, which is the rear seatbelt guide. This part has to be removed if you're going to be removing the rear seats. There's a couple of little tricks for getting this out, and I'll show those to you, so it'll be nice and easy for you to pop that out. Right, so looking at the this rear seatbelt guide, a couple of little things to point out on it. First of all, there is a little clip underneath, which is the first thing that we're going to pop out. And on the back here, you can just about see here we've got like a little hinge section. It's hidden under here at the moment, but you'll be able to see it better when I slide it back. But that has to be popped down to allow us to remove this from around your post. If you still have this in place, you might not have this in place, so your access will be easier. But you'll have to undo that to remove the seatbelt anyway. So I'll show you quickly how to do this. So what we do is, first of all, reach under the underneath the front lip and pull up very carefully. There, and that will undo the clip that's inside. Now on the rear here, there's a little clip that just holds it into the trim here. So you need to loosen that off a little bit, like so. That's a little clip in there. And then this part on the back that I was telling you about, if you can kind of come down and have a look underneath if you're able. You see this little section here. It's kind of trapped underneath there. This little section here, you can see it pops out there. That's what enables you to remove the seatbelt guide. Like I said, this large metal section probably won't be in situ when you do this. I'm having to work around part of the locking mechanism here. What I do, pop that off, like so. So this is what you'll have. So this is what I was talking about. This little section just here, it just snaps in and out. So open that up. As you can see, we've got the seatbelt in the guide here, and we actually have a slot there. So all we want to do is feed this belt back and get it into the slot there, like so. And then slide that out, pop that back together. And that's your seatbelt guide removed for the A4, S4 and RS4 Cabriolet B6, B7 models.